everyone, Wayne from the Cernan Earth and Space Center here. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at what you can find in the skies during the month of February. It's pretty similar to some of our more recent skies videos. The winter sky doesn't change too much, but it does move around a bit, and we're starting to see some of our springtime stars rise up out of the east. So without any further ado, let's jump into our sky simulator and take a look. So here we are, standing in front of the Cernan Earth and Space Center in River Grove at Triton College. We have our date set for February 15th, and our time is set for 8 o'clock in the evening, which is about 2.5, 3 hours after the sun sets, so it will be nice and dark for you to see everything that's out there. Just over the Cernan Earth and Space Center towards the west, we have a nice bright moon, and if we look up just a little bit higher, we'll see a nice bright red dot up here, and that is the planet Mars. Now, Mars is going to be very bright, very recognizable, and February is a great time to look at the planet Mars because on its way, landing just a few days after this, on February 18th, will be the Perseverance rover and the Mars 2020 mission, as well as the little helicopter with that rover that's going to fly around in the atmosphere of Mars. So Mars is going to be popping up in the news, especially right around this time in the middle of the month of February, and you can see it nice and bright in a clear sky. Now, there are some other cool things for us to look at. Some of our recognizable wintertime star shapes, if we turn and look towards the south part of the sky, we'll see all of the groups of stars that make up our winter circle that we've talked about in previous videos. Some of the brightest and most recognizable of those stars. We have Orion the Hunter, who is going to be very bright and easy to see as usual. And we also have Taurus the Bull, the two hunting dogs of Orion, and all sorts of other cool bright things to see up there. So those are still very bright, very visible, and very easy to see throughout February. So definitely go out and still take a look at those. You'll see them even for another couple of months, heading into March and maybe even into the beginning of April. You might still be able to spot Orion before he disappears below the horizon. Now, if we continue our turning around and head towards the eastern part of the sky, we'll start to see some of our springtime constellations rising up. And the most recognizable of those, or at least the first one that's going to be visible, is this one right here. It looks a bit like a broken coat hanger, but that is actually Leo the Lion. Very bright. It has this backwards question mark part that is very bright and easy to see, as well as this bright star right here at the bottom of that question mark. That star's name is Regulus, which means the heart of the king, and it sits right in the chest of Leo the Lion, right where his heart would be. So when you find that star, you know you're looking right at the center of Leo the Lion. So you'll start to see that coming up. It will get more and more visible as we get closer to springtime, eventually being nice and high in the sky at right around April time. So all of these stars are going to be bright and easy to see. Keep an eye out for the changes as the time goes on. You'll see things move across the sky, the winter circle, and Leo will be getting higher up as the month goes on. Well, thank you everyone for taking a look at the February skies with me. Again, my name is Wayne here at the Cernan Earth and Space Center at Triton College. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more space content. And remember also to get out there and take a look at your night skies.